Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to become a flight attendant for American Airlines. This is a fantastic career opportunity if you're looking to travel the world while providing excellent customer service. So let's walk through the entire application process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to jobs.aa.com. Once you're on the American Airlines careers page, look for the section labeled Find Your Job. Within that section, you'll see an option that says Search Open Jobs. Go ahead and click on that to access all available positions at American Airlines. Now you'll be taken to the job search portal. In the search bar at the top of the page, type flight attendant. This will filter the results to show you all the current flight attendant openings. Browse through the available positions and select the one that best matches your preferences, whether that's based on location, schedule, or specific requirements. Click on the job listing to view more details. Take your time reading through the job description carefully. This will give you a clear understanding of the responsibilities, requirements, and expectations for the role. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about applying, click the Apply Now button. At this point, you'll be given two options. You can either apply using your LinkedIn profile or apply directly through the American Airlines website. For this tutorial, we'll apply directly, so click Apply Now again to proceed with the direct application. You'll now need to create an account on the American Airlines careers portal. Type in your email address, create a secure password, and fill in your personal information as requested. Once all the required fields are completed, click Create Account. This account will be your hub for tracking your application status and communicating with the recruitment team throughout the process. Next, you'll be prompted to upload your resume. Click Upload Resume and select the file from your computer. Make sure your resume is up to date and highlights any customer service experience, language skills, or relevant qualifications that make you a strong candidate for the flight attendant position. After uploading your resume, you'll need to fill out several required fields. This includes your contact information, work history, and education background. Be thorough and accurate with these details as they form the foundation of your application. Once you've completed all the necessary sections, click Next to move forward. The next step involves answering application questions. These questions are designed to assess your suitability for the role and may cover topics like availability, willingness to relocate, and customer service scenarios. Answer each question honestly and thoughtfully, then click Submit when you're finished. At this point, your application has been officially submitted and you'll need to wait for the next steps from American Airlines. Keep an eye on your email inbox because American Airlines will send you a link to complete an online assessment. This assessment evaluates your aptitude and personality fit for the flight attendant role. When you receive the email, click Begin Assessment and complete it as soon as possible. Make sure you're in a quiet environment where you can focus without distractions, as this is an important part of the screening process. After completing the assessment, there will be another waiting period. If your application progresses, you'll receive an email invitation to schedule a virtual interview. Open that email and click Schedule Interview to book a time slot that works for you. This virtual interview is your chance to make a strong impression, so choose a time when you can be fully prepared and presentable. On the day of your virtual interview, make sure you're in a quiet, well-lit space with a stable internet connection. Attend the interview on time and follow all instructions given by the recruiter carefully. They may ask about your customer service experience, why you want to be a flight attendant, and how you handle challenging situations. Be confident, friendly, and genuine in your responses. If you're selected to move forward after the interview, you'll receive an offer through your American Airlines candidate portal. Log into your portal and click Accept Offer to officially accept the position. Congratulations, you're one step closer to becoming a flight attendant. Once you've accepted the offer, you'll need to complete several onboarding documents. These might include background checks, tax forms, and other employment paperwork. To access these, click Tasks in your candidate account and work through each document carefully. Make sure everything is completed accurately and submitted on time to avoid any delays in your start date. Finally, American Airlines will send you travel instructions for your in-person training at the American Airlines Training Center. This training is comprehensive and covers everything from safety procedures to customer service protocols. Follow the instructions provided, attend all training sessions, and you'll be well on your way to starting your career as a flight attendant with American Airlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.